dead center in between the two fences. Just what I was looking for. And it's level. Front to back. Side to side. All right. Good Lord. I mean, unreal. Because think about it, any gaps you leave, that's where weeds are gonna take the opportunity to grow. So go the extra mile. Squeeze mulch in those gaps. Squeeze mulch. Force mulch in those gaps. Alright, so this area pretty much mulched. Get behind. So these are royal ferns. They're the ones that I have up front because they can take a little bit more sunlight. Royal ferns. Let me give you guys a close-up of the foliage. So excuse the sunlight, guys, but this right here is called a royal fern, and the characteristics of its leaves, they have a holly-like appearance. They're very broad in terms of a fern. If you look at the size of my hand and the size of the leaf or the frond, okay, they're relatively large. And these beside it, I'll put the name up on the screen because I don't remember at the top of my head. But I think these might be the angel ferns or the maiden hair ferns. And as you can tell, the leaves are much narrower. So what I'm doing now is just kind of cleaning them up, removing any spent leaves, just snipping them off. Just going in with the pruners and snipping them off. Now I should have done this in early spring or late winter, but you do it whenever time allows. just freshens the plant up. Give it a good haircut, and then it'll go ahead and produce newer leaves.